What's going on, gang, man? It's your boy J4. We are back with a different type of style video, man. Shout out to the fam. He let me get his GoPro, so we're gonna do a little POV, and we got in the rain with it, so I figured I'd go ahead and do a little POV. So I actually like these type of style videos when I see them on YouTube all the time. So damn, that's a nice ass F250 over there. But anyway, man, let's go ahead. Enough of me rambling. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. I hope the camera angle is pretty good, and yeah, man, we'll go ahead and dive right in it. Again, shouts out to the fam, to the cuzzo Cha. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram, 6.7 Cha, and let's dive in. Let's go. Honestly, it would be a good time to have four-wheel drive right now as we are in traffic and it's raining, but it'll be all right. We got a ram right beside her. Thought they tried to slide on me. Thought they tried to race or something. Sliding out in traffic in the rain. Boy, I swear this road is kind of bumpy, and the truck does not take well to bumpy roads right now. So, and I got all this extra stuff in here, and then plus with the window, the rear sliding window rattling, it doesn't make it any better. I promise you it don't. Yeah, so one thing about being in South Carolina, man, and when it's raining like this, the roads are wet. Folks just don't know how to drive, bro. I understand that it was trying to look out for the person that was in the middle of the road, but people really just don't know how to drive. People just be hitting on brakes left and right. Would hit on brakes. Come on, bruh. You're hitting on brakes and stuff. Like, ain't no car in front of you. Come on now. Man. That nice GMC right there. Black GMC. It look pretty good. Swear I don't want to catch traction. That's the only thing about right now with being in a two-wheel drive truck. Like, when it's weather like this, and obviously if you get into a point where it's like snowing or something, then obviously you're not gonna really catch good traction. And I don't around this time. Like especially with these mud tires on. We all know mud tires don't catch good traction anyway. But being that it's a two-wheel drive, is already not gonna catch good traction anyway. Watch this. When that light hit green. Pull it right there, let me chill. I had 12 right there, I had to chill. But that thing wasn't hooked, so I seen it start spinning. Let me chill. I got these cars beside me, one on the left, one on the right, so I had to chill for a second. The four-wheel drive would be alright. We'll be hooking and booking. sometimes I do like the sound of this muffler for real, bro. Like this Magnaflow sound real good on the inside. It does drone, but I like it. That drone and whatever, all that stuff don't bother me. I know it bothers a lot of people, but it really doesn't bother me at all. I actually like it. Like I say, I like it from the outside. I mean, from the inside. But sometimes when I'm on the outside, it's just not loud enough for me. Like, yeah, I know in other previous videos I said that I didn't want it to be too loud to where it's crazy enough to where I might get noise complaints from neighbors, but at the same time I don't really care about that. But at this point, man, I don't really care no more. It is what it is. I've been actually considering taking the 14 wides off, getting some stock wheels and put the mud tires on and do like some 38s or something. I hate I sold my stock wheels, man. I was like, man, I don't need these things, man. I'm probably not gonna ever use them. I'll use the money to buy another mod or something. And boom, now look at me sitting there considering taking the 14 wides off, putting the stock wheels on with some 38s or 37s or something. But I feel like if I was to do that, I wouldn't like it. But now I'll be ready to put the 14 wides back on. Don't get me wrong now, I love these 14 wides. I love the look of it. I just want to try something different, you know? Hell, I'm even considering trying some chrome or polished 24x14s. I just want to see how it looks, pretty much. Get a few pictures with it on and take it back off. Put the black 14 wides back on. Get like this, people just don't know how they just drive hella slow, and yeah, I was just ready to get past that. Plus that road have hella puddles in it. With all the rain sitting in the road, man. If you guys liking this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel, man. It definitely helps the video out, and it helps the channel out as well. So the GoPro died. I'm gonna finish the video with the camera. Truck, whatever. Man, it's the same truck that's in front of me. Damn. I'm gonna turn the traction control off really quick. Have a little fun. at that time like they don't. Everybody getting out of school, getting off work, so I expect that. Bro, this wireless Apple CarPlay been like real good, man. It's been very good. So make sure I leave a link down to that in the description. It's been pretty good. Make sure you guys check that out. Go get you one. And guys, we have officially made it back to the crib, and that's pretty much going to conclude today's video. Might come back out later on and get some more content, but I highly doubt that. But anyway guys, we'll catch you on the next one. See you again. We out. You.